Hey, good morning, my friends. It's Sunday morning, and the sun is up and it's bright. Oladimeji here. I'm sure most of you are seeing me for the first time. Yes, I want to talk to you about this one life you have. We all have this one life to live, and we are all internet marketers trying to make the best and to make some income for ourselves and our families and live a better life. But I need to tell you this one and remind you as much as I know you know that you have this one life, and how you're going to live this one life to maximize it, to use it to your benefit, and to achieve what you set to achieve for yourself. It requires commitment, devotion, tenacity, persistent, to continue to also believe in yourself. I'm sure you know this, but I've just done a blog about this so that you can commit yourself to this one life, this one opportunity that comes your way, that you have to keep on keeping on until to achieve what you want to do, you want to achieve. And I want to encourage you that you are almost on the way, you are achieving, you are getting better every day and a single day, every moment, as you apply yourself, as you do the basic that you need to do by emailing your list and let people get to know you and get to know who you are. Have a wonderful day. Below this video, you'll see a link there that actually talks about this one life you have. What are you going to do about it? Go in there and just read my blog and be blessed. God bless you. Have a wonderful day, and I wish you all the success that I wish myself. We are going to do it. We are going to make it. It's going to happen as long as you don't give up. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Oladimeji Dr. Folabi here. God bless you. Wonderful.